Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Sicilian spaghetti with lamb kebabs.
This is all bullshit. When are you going to start making junk food?
Tonight we're going to be doing a Sicilian spaghetti with a lamb and sausage kebab. Here's all the stuff. Let's add it.
Alrighty, here we go. A little mise en place. For the sauce, of course, we have tomatoes, white wine, lemon, garlic, shallots, butter, the pecorino toscano, fennel, pine nuts, and then of course we're going to be dressing it up with dill, breadcrumbs, and these beautiful radish sprouts. Of course, in the front we have our kebabs, mushrooms, lamb, cleaned up all that lamb. That takes some time, but you know, you got to do it. And then of course sausage and peppers and the spaghetti. All right, here we go.
I totally forgot about my peppers in my intro. Anyways, peppers, sausage, mushrooms, lamb, repeat, and then put your kebabs in the roasting pan. Beautiful kebabs. We're going to add olive oil, of course, Madeira wine, and then it's going in the oven 350 for an hour. Sauce time, you know the deal. Heat your pan, olive oil, butter, garlic, then put your shallots on, swish it around a little. Then of course fennel is next, followed by lemon, of course, and then put the tomatoes on top and get your pasta on. Add salt, pasta, stir, and then cover. Of course, back to the sauce. We're going to flip that puppy after it cooks a little. After your wine cooks down a little, add a dollop of sour cream, and then of course your pine nuts. Stir and get ready to go.
Sauce is ready. Spaghetti's ready. Kebabs are ready. We're gonna just chop a little of this up, put some cheese out, and get it ready to go.
And the pasta's ready to plate up. We got chocolate, mint, and dill. We're gonna flip that around a little. Add some pecorino toscano, and of course some radish seeds. Take the kebabs off the sticks, fluff it up a little more, add sauce, top it off with radish. Sicilian spaghetti with a beautiful ragu, and lamb and sausage kebabs, topped off with radish sprouts. Okay, people, take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.